here to celebrate that and screen the first episode. It's been 2 years since we've had a new episode of that show. Really excited to relaunch that show with Monte Mader tonight.
One of the most important things I think that Monte shows us is that the hero is within. You can't wait we can't wait to be saved by anyone outside of ourselves, that we all have this inside of us when we step into our truth.
So there were women's Bible study weight loss groups where women would come together, and the whole thing was to get right with God about your weight. It was a long process of separating thinness from godliness. And those pieces that used to make me so self-conscious that now I just love. Like, I love my hands, and I love the size of my hand, but I love big, beautiful nails. I hated myself my whole life, and I'm so tired, and it's never good enough. What do I want?
Thank you for being here, and by the way, that's the first time I saw it.
Liberated in our thoughts about beauty, ourselves, our own bodies.
And I lost so much of my life fucking hating myself. And I'm so glad I don't feel that anymore. And I don't want other women or other people of the queer community to feel that way, because we are programmed to believe we're defective when that's not true.
Energy similar to you, Monte, just so much of my life stolen over this question of, should I accept my body or should I fix it? And interviewing all these people for what's underneath was my way of trying to figure that out. And I'm very proud to say that I figured it out because I no longer think of it as something that I want to fix, and I'm pretty certain about the answer.
People's sense of freedom that they have tasted ultimately is, there's no stopping that. There's no stopping ultimately that power and that joy of loving yourself. I mean, who is ultimately is going to choose to hate themselves over loving themselves when they know that they can?
I completely have stopped wearing makeup. I have kind of been like, fuck you.
It's interesting hearing a lot of women, I think, and men too, but many women, the struggle with your body. I've had more of a struggle with my mind.
When do you feel the most vulnerable?
I think I've been spending my whole life trying to get to that point where I'm okay with my body.
People associate that question with something superficial. And we're not asking it from that place. So when do you feel the most beautiful?